In this video, I will show you exactly how you can add a Snapchat widget to the home screen of your iPhone. Now, of course, the very first step is to make sure that you have the Snapchat app downloaded. I did not have it, so I had to install it from the App Store. But once you have it, all you have to do is just to get to the home screen anywhere and just hold down on it like that, so all of the icons just starts to shake. That's okay, but I want you to click on the plus icon in the upper left corner. So click on the plus right there, and you have some options like of the widgets which you can pick, and you can see that Snapchat is already recommended to me, which is fine. But if you scroll down a bit more, all the way to the bottom where the list of all the supported apps are, here is the Snapchat. So when you click on Snapchat, there are exactly 4 things and 4 options of widgets that you have available. So you have a map where you can pin a friend with the widget at a glance and see where your friend actually is. So that may be useful. The second one is memories. In my case, it doesn't show anything because I don't have any. That's okay. The memories, but in larger, so perhaps you want to have a larger square on the home screen, or this widget for your snap code, so you don't even have to open up the app, and in case you want to share your snap code with someone, you can easily just add it to the home screen like that, and anyone just walking by can just point their Snapchat camera and get there, or get your information. So that's of course the process of how it works, and that's how you can exactly add a Snapchat home screen, Snapchat widget to the home screen. But other than that, you don't really have any other options. It's just not working any differently. So these are the only widgets which you have available. And with this, I'm going to wrap up this video right now. But if you are into social media, then you should definitely join this Foxtecc educational platform, which I created. It's linked down below in the description. It is free to join. And inside you have some video editing courses inside of the social media section, and also in-depth iPhone guides, and there are already other people learning as well. So if you want to, you should definitely go ahead and check it out. It's, as I say, linked down below in the description. So hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the Foxtecc, and I will see you in the future.